Hey everyone, it's Mark again. This is just a little quick update here. I haven't been able to do much on the Tascam 388 for about a week or so because I was waiting for things to come in and make arrangements, but look what I ordered. It's beautiful. What I've done is I've taken all of the schematics out of here one by one. I scanned them the best way I could, which is just with a phone app. So they're not perfect, but they're a hell of a lot better than what's floating around the internet. If you would like copies, go to my website, phillipshomerepair.com. I'll also have a link in the description here. And I will have a folder of all of the schematics that are compressed. You can download it for free. No guarantees that every little thing is going to be completely legible because my scanning capabilities aren't the greatest, but I can guarantee you they are a lot better than what's out there now. And they're all yours. So I'm actually going to be collaborating a little bit on this with my dad, who is an electrical engineer of, I don't know, forever, 40 years, 50 years for the University of Iowa. He has sent things into space, so I think he can fix a tape machine. Since he's more of a logic, digital kind of guy than I am, he thought he could maybe help out. So as soon as we get our schedules coordinated, we're gonna make that happen. And I may or may not film any of it, but again, sorry, there's not much to say on this one. I just, for the 2 people keeping up on this series, I thought you might like to know what the holdup is and just know that no, I haven't chucked it in a dumpster and moved to Mexico. So, we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.